Matter was regarding the proclamation issued against Mr. Khosla. Now, today we filed an application to tag our matter with the charge sheet that is filed against Mr. Khosla and other accused, and which matter is before the same court. So we have told the court, since the issues are interlinked between our matter and the matter that is in the charge sheet against my client, to tag this matter and hear both the matters together. The court has called upon the prosecutor to file the reply to our application today which they have filed, and I have also sought time to file rejoinder to deal with the contents of the police in their say. According to me, what the police have said in their say may not be entirely correct. So we have to deal with those contents, and we are going to file a substantial rejoinder to that effect. But however, it is very important today, the public prosecutor has stated that there was some technical problem in issuing that proclamation notice to Mr. Khosla and showing him as an absconding, because according to the prosecution, the 30 days mandatory period was not there. So I believe, let us see in the course of the arguments. Now which the matter is fixed on, is somewhere fixed on some on Saturday, in the first week of April. No, on 7th April the matter is fixed. On that day the matter is fixed for our rejoinder as well as for the reply of the PP to our application of tagging. So on that day we'll come to what is the status.